Alright, I'm gonna show you the truck that I've been working on for a while now. Over here at M&H. Let's see, it's a beautiful truck. You ready to see it? There you go. We're gonna deliver it tomorrow. Taking it up North Carolina to the fella that owns it. We painted it, did all the interior, rewired the whole truck, motor and transmission, exhaust, pretty much everything, top to bottom. But made the altimeter gauges fit in the dash, real clean. Got the radio up there. Everything's modern, vintage air, four-wheel drive with air locker. Got the switches down there. Pretty impressed with the door panels. They're just something that was cheaper that I found on eBay. Actually come in and look good. I couldn't believe it. Worth a try. So I wanted to see what they look like. I might put them in old blue. But yeah, she's beautiful. I just got done buffing it, getting that thing slick. Look at that. Even custom made a handle for the hood latch. It's right up under here. See that right there? It goes up in there. Just push up on it and the hood will pop. We ain't got to cut the grill, none of that stuff. But yeah, I love this truck. See, look at that. Look how clean that is. It could go anywhere, but I wouldn't put it hardly nowhere because it's so damn beautiful underneath. Anyway, it's getting delivered tomorrow. Stay tuned on that Mustang.